Hey guys, today we got a fiberglass high-rise cap by Fast Tops. Apparently it looks like the Vision series. It's an older company that's out of business. Don't really know what it fits exactly, although it came off of an 09 to 14 Ford F-150 and fits really good, so we're pretty sure that's what it was for. So we're going to upload the picture of the truck that we took it off of so you can see what it looked like on the truck, and we're going to sell it as 09 to 14 F-150. So like I said, it's pretty sure that's what it is. Looks like it fits well, and we're going to call it that. It's gray in color, dark gray in color. It's an older unit, has some wear and tear. Paint scuffs here, some scratches, some scuffs there. Pretty good scratch right there, through there and into the frame there. Has some scratches on the top, because the higher rise like this happens when they're this tall, they get scraped on top of things, or things scrape on top of them. A couple scuffs there on the top. Front edge looks pretty good. Down through here, got some just minor scuffs on the paint. Got a couple chips on the corner, some scratches, some scuffs there, more chips on the paint, on the bottom edge. I mean, it's pretty good, just a lot of scuffs. It's just an older cap that's been around a few years. Scratches, some paint chips there. Some more chips on the bottom edge, paint issues, scratches, scuffs there. Does have the single bay with a sliding window on the side. Picture window in the front. Has some paint issues there, but this is something you're never going to see. It's behind the cab. This looks like it's kind of peeling off there on the corner. Has some scuffs on the paint on the front edge, top edge here. A couple scuffs, scratch right there above the center, and then you got a bigger scuff that runs across there. So got some scratches right there, probably rubbed against the cab at one time. So picture window in the front. A little bit of a scratch and scuff there on the corner. Out here, and you got a chip there on the bottom edge. Paint looks good through there, pretty good. Through here on the top. This side looks pretty good. It has some scratches on the top, kind of like the other side was, just from being so tall. This one has some scratches right there. Down through here. A couple scratches. Paint, actually more like paint chips, paint flakes right there. Or scratches. I don't know, they started as scratches. Some scratches down through there, and then a couple chips on the bottom edge, and just like a bunch of scuffs there, probably tree branches, or who knows. It's where exactly this has lived its life, I don't know. Paint looks good through here, in between there. Has a sliding window in the side, bay window in the back. Double T-handle locking rear door on the back. Some paint issues there, a couple right there again. Through here. We did put a new brake light in it. It was missing. We put a new brake light in it, so that should work fine now. It has some scratches right here, which had some damage on the window here. Because this company's out of business, we were unable to find a replacement door for it, so it has been repaired. Works fine, seems to work fine, but it is repaired. Some scratches down there. Still has the glass in it, so it's not like it's been put plexiglass or anything. It's just standard plastic, or standard glass. The tempered glass in the back. Like I said, I believe it's a Vision series because that's what it says right there. It is carpeted on the inside. It's older, like it's an older unit, so it has some wear on the carpet. I think it had some critters living in it at one time because it looked like there was some. When we were cleaning this up, it had some nuts and stuff back in there, so probably had some squirrels in it at one point in time. Screens look pretty good. Sliding window. On this side, the screen looks pretty good. So yeah, it's a nice high-rise, a lot of head clearance in here. Like I said, it is a fast tops. It does say that. I think the serial number's right here. Here it is. Fast tops. I believe it's out of California or something. As far as I can tell, this company's out of business. Not been able to find anything on this. So does just rubs right there just a little bit, but I mean, it works and latches down. It seems to be fine. There it is, high rise. It's the 2009 to 2014 Ford F150 with the 6.5 foot bed, charcoal gray in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those are all available on our website as well. So you can click that link, go to our website, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it shipped out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain style, color, brand, size, whatever, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.